Picture this. You're working from a Bali beach cafe one week, Lisbon the next. That's the dream. Freedom. But freedom brings financial headaches, foreign transaction fees, missed travel rewards, and the constant challenge of making your money work worldwide. The right credit card isn't a luxury. It's essential for a sustainable nomad lifestyle. The difference between a good and great card, thousands saved in fees and earned in rewards. In this video, I'll break down the best credit cards for digital nomads in 2025, comparing top contenders and giving you actionable strategies to pick the perfect card for your travel style. We'll cover points, perks, fees, and fine print, so you can focus on exploring, not stressing about money. Let's dive in. First up, the Chase Sapphire Preferred, an icon for travelers and my top pick for most digital nomads. Why? Versatility. It's the Swiss Army knife of travel cards, strong sign-up bonus, great earning rates on travel and dining, and zero foreign transaction fees. You earn Chase Ultimate Rewards points, arguably the most flexible points out there. Transfer them one to airlines and hotels like United, Southwest, Hyatt, and Marriott. That means you're never locked in. Book the best deal, wherever you are. Travel protections are a huge plus: primary rental car insurance, trip cancellation/interruption, baggage delay, and trip delay coverage. These turn travel disasters into minor hiccups. Earning is simple: bonus points on dining worldwide, travel including flights, hotels, Airbnbs, Ubers, trains, plus online groceries, and select streaming. The $95 annual fee is easily offset if you travel even a few times a year. You'll need a good credit score, 690 plus, and to be under Chase's 524th rule. Compared to others, Capital One Venture is simpler but lacks Chase's high-value transfer partners. Amex Gold is great for food but not as broad for travel. Weakness? Only 1x points on non-bonus categories and no airport lounge access. But for most nomads, Sapphire Preferred is the best mix of value, flexibility, and security. Apply online with your SSN or ITIN, US address, and income info. It's a Visa accepted almost everywhere. Pair it with a no-fee card like Chase Freedom Unlimited for even more rewards. As you travel more, you'll unlock even more value from Ultimate Rewards. It's a foundational card for any nomad wallet. If you want a card that grows with you, this is it. The Sapphire Preferred sets the benchmark for nomad credit cards. It's reliable, flexible, and powerful. For most digital nomads, it's the perfect starting point. Don't overlook it. It's the card that makes your travels smarter. Next, the Capital One Venture Rewards Card, perfect for nomads who want simplicity. No bonus categories, no mental gymnastics, just 2x miles on every purchase everywhere. Book a flight, buy a coffee, pay for a co-working pass, it's always 2x miles. Redeem with the purchase eraser. Use your miles to wipe out any travel purchase at 1 cent per mile. No blackout dates, no restrictions. Want more value? Transfer miles to airline and hotel partners like Air Canada and British Airways for advanced rewards. No foreign transaction fees, and you get up to $100 credit for global entry or TSA pre-check. $95 annual fee, right in line with Sapphire Preferred. Good credit, 700 plus, is needed, and Capital One pulls all 3 credit bureaus. Application is quick and online. As a Visa signature, it's accepted globally. Compared to Sapphire Preferred, Venture is easier to use, but Chase points are often more valuable if you maximize transfers. Venture's main weakness: fixed 1 cent per mile value unless you use transfer partners, and fewer travel protections than Chase. No primary rental car insurance or trip delay coverage. But if you want a no-fuss, high-earning card, Venture is outstanding. It's for the efficient nomad who values time and simplicity. No spreadsheets, no stress, just solid rewards. If you want to book travel your way and erase the cost, this is your card. It's a classic battle. Flexibility versus simplicity. For many, simplicity wins. The Venture card is a top choice for straightforward, global rewards. It's easy, effective, and powerful. If you want to keep things simple, go Venture. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it travel card. Now let's talk about the American Express Gold Card, the foodie's dream. If you love exploring local cuisine or cooking in your Airbnb, this card is a powerhouse. Earn 4x points at restaurants worldwide and US supermarkets up to $25K/year. Also, 3x points on flights booked directly or via Amex Travel. No foreign transaction fees, and Amex membership rewards points are super flexible with great airline partners. The $250 annual fee is offset by up to $120 in annual dining credits. Grubhub, select restaurants, and $120 in Uber Cash. Use these credits, and your effective fee drops dramatically. Perfect for nomads who use Uber and order food delivery often. not for budget travelers who rarely eat out. Maximize the food and grocery categories to get real value. Amex isn't accepted everywhere, especially in smaller towns. Always carry a Visa or MasterCard backup. Compared to Sapphire Preferred and Venture, Amex Gold wins for food, but lacks broad travel protections and is less universally accepted. Good credit, 690 plus, is needed, and sign-up bonuses can be very lucrative. Application is fast and online, the card itself feels premium. If your travels revolve around food, this is your card. Maximize the 4X categories and monthly credits for huge rewards. Just remember, always have a backup for places that don't take Amex. For food-loving nomads, Amex Gold is unbeatable. It's the ultimate card for culinary adventures. Let's switch gears. Wise Multi-Currency Card, formerly TransferWise, is a must-have for every nomad. It's a debit card, not credit, but it solves the currency exchange problem better than anyone. Hold and manage 50-plus currencies in one account. Pay in local currency, avoid bad exchange rates and hidden fees. Wise gives you the real mid-market rate, what you see on Google, with a tiny, transparent fee, often under 0.5%. Compared to banks or PayPal, you'll save hundreds, even thousands over time. Use the card to spend or withdraw cash worldwide. If you don't have the local currency, Wise auto-converts from your cheapest balance. Application is online, no credit check, just ID verification. Manage everything in the app, convert, send, and track spending instantly. Weaknesses, no rewards, no credit building, and less purchase protection than credit cards. But for cash, local payments, or paying landlords, Wise is unbeatable. It's not a replacement for a rewards card, it's the perfect companion. Use credit cards for points, Wise for everything else. Get local bank details in several countries, get paid like a local. Wise is essential for every digital nomad. Don't leave home without it. It's the best way to kill exchange fees and manage global money. Combine it with a rewards card for the ultimate toolkit. Wise fills the gap credit cards can't. It's simple, powerful, and saves you real money. Every nomad needs Wise in their wallet. Finally, let's look at Revolut Metal, a fintech favorite, especially in Europe like Wise. Revolut lets you hold and exchange dozens of currencies, but the Metal plan adds premium perks. For about $17/month, you get a solid metal card, overseas medical insurance, delayed baggage, flight insurance, higher ATM, withdrawal limits, and airport lounge access if your flight is delayed. You also get up to 1% cashback outside Europe and 0.1% within Europe. Fee-free currency exchange on weekdays, limits apply, but there's a small markup on weekends. The app is packed with features, budgeting savings, even crypto and stock trading. Application is fast, no credit check, just ID verification. Global acceptance as MasterCard or Visa downsides. The monthly fee adds up. Insurance isn't as comprehensive as standalone policies, and customer service can be hit or miss. It's a debit card, no credit building, and rewards aren't as valuable as Chase or Amex points. Revolut Metal is for nomads who want an all-in-one app with travel perks, insurance, and multi-currency management. If you'll use the perks, the fee can be worth it. But for many, a free Wise card plus a good rewards credit card is a better, cheaper combo. Revolut is a lifestyle product, convenient but niche. If you want everything in one app, it's compelling. For most, Wise plus a travel credit card is more cost-effective. Revolut Metal is a strong option for heavy travelers who'll use all the perks, but always compare the value to your actual needs. So, which card is right for you? For flexibility and travel protections, Chase Sapphire Preferred is king. Want simplicity? Capital One Venture is your go-to. Foodie? Amex Gold is unbeatable if you maximize credits. Every nomad needs Wise for currency and cash. The best strategy? Pair a rewards credit card with a multi-currency debit card like Wise or Revolut. Analyze your spending, travel style, and goals to build your perfect wallet. Drop a comment below with your favorite card, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nomad finance tips. Thanks for watching. See you on the road.